Seedance 2.5. Zero limits. Pure realism. Let's dive in.
Welcome back, everyone. Hope your day is going well. Mila's got a great tutorial lined up for you today.
Hey guys, Mila here. Today I'm going to review and break down the Seedance 2.5 model for you and share some practical tips to seriously boost your video quality. The Seedance 2.5 AI video model has made a huge leap compared to the last version. It's not just a basic tool anymore. It's become a totally professional system for video making. This version can generate continuous 30-second videos in native 4K, giving you amazing consistency in lighting, textures, and backgrounds all the way through. Some of the coolest improvements in Seedance 2.5 are the huge 50 reference file support, making it super easy to keep multiple characters looking consistent in one scene. And you also get region-level editing to change specific parts without re-rendering everything, synchronized audio generation, and precise camera control with a 3D preview. Because of these features and its better prompt understanding, unlike other models limited to short 5 to 10-second videos, Seedance 2.5 is an ideal and budget-friendly choice for narrative animations, 30-second promos, realistic architectural tours, branding projects with consistent characters, and edits that need regular tweaks. While it is true that Seedance 2.5 can accurately replicate a reference video, as seen in this example, what we have in mind goes far beyond a simple copy or a mere style change. For example, you can drop in a reference video and tell it, "Don't just copy this, get inspired by it." We can draw from the shooting style, color palette, character movements, and camera work, and end up crafting a totally unique video that carries the vibe of the reference without being a clone.
Come shopping with me in Japan. Wait, this is so cute! Definitely worth it.
All right, so to make our video with Seedance 2.5 today, we're running our tests using the TopMediai platform. Once you log in, you can easily access all the tools we need right from this section. If you have your own idea, you can go straight to the model section and select your preferred model, which offers a great variety. After that, it is time to enter your prompt. Please note that the maximum allowed character limit for the prompt is 5,000 characters. So, since we're testing the Seedance 2.5 model today, I selected that one. Here in the Omni mode, it explains how many references and what formats you can use. One of the coolest things about Seedance 2.5 is just how many references you can feed into it. Up to 50 references, which is really fantastic. As for the frames mode, just like we did before, you can upload your scenes here so it helps match up the beginning and the end for you. The settings part is pretty similar to what we've seen before, but the main difference here is the video length. A huge advantage of Seedance 2.5 is that it can give you a 30-second video with just one prompt, which is really awesome. For this video, I want to use 4 characters, so I need to enter the image to video section. Note that older models could effectively manage a maximum of 2 characters and would occasionally mix them up. Let's see how this model performs with 4 characters. Of course, we've seen that this model does a great job even with more than 4 characters, but I chose a smaller number this time so we can carefully check the character consistency and review it without any hassle. Now, I'll select the model, enter my prompt, keep it set to Omni mode, and upload the character sheets for my characters. I'll adjust my settings, and once the pictures are uploaded, we move on to writing the prompt and tagging the images in it. Just like how we wrote prompts for Seedance 2, we need to describe the characters at the beginning and tag their pictures. But there's an important difference here. Since there are more characters, to keep the model from making mistakes, it's best to name each character right at the beginning, where you put the image tags. You only need to use the image tags that one time, or else you'll get duplicate characters. Instead, just use their names individually throughout the text, just like I wrote in the prompt for you. Also, a quick second tip. Try to keep the order of your photos matching the order you introduce them in the prompt.
Work the stick when you get into did it. They take some great fin at the braid to sit it. Hey, yeah, hey.
So I always mention that you should keep your credits in mind while creating. Seedance 2.5 is a really great model, and considering the improvements in duration and quality, it might seem a bit expensive, but it's actually much more efficient than previous models. That's because if you write a precise prompt, the chances of nailing it on the first try are really high. And since it's 30 seconds long, instead of generating clips in small chunks, you get a smooth, unified 30-second video right away. That's exactly why I always recommend sticking with our videos until the very end. While we're creating, we explain things that can't really be captured just by looking at skills or prompts. They're practical, real-world techniques, so even though we give you the skills and prompts for free, make sure to watch carefully, take notes on the production tips we share, and apply them to your own projects. That way, you can get top-tier results while keeping your costs to a minimum. We're here to support you every step of the way. Now for the text-to-video part, it's super similar to image-to-video. The only thing is that you won't be using any references here. So for text-to-video, we select the model, enter our prompt, and set up the options. But here, I want to check out one of the model's claims. I actually created this prompt based on an actual scene from a real movie, because this model claims that its motions and expressions are much more natural and don't look like typical AI generation. In other words, less of the AI look. Let's watch both videos, and please write down in the comments whether you think it really turned out to be true or not. So, to be completely honest, I have to say this looks really close to a real video. For AI, this is a huge milestone because it's super hard to pull off. Just pay attention to the water currents, the body motions, facial expressions, and how the hair moves weightlessly in the water, and you'll see exactly what I mean. So, dear friends, thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope you found this useful. I love you all, and until the next video, goodbye.